baseball tonight. I just been such a sucker for all the summer flavors. Hello you guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is the long weekend Canada Day heading up to Muskoka vlog. It's Thursday night, it's just after 5. I've got my bags packed and we have baseball tonight. Actually, I'm all ready to go. We're on a softball team this summer and I'm obsessed with it. It's so fun. We're not that good, but I've never played before and I literally love it. It's so fun. We have baseball tonight that's like a bit outside the city, so then we'll just keep on the highway up from there and head up there tonight. My parents are away for a couple days this weekend, so we'll be alone for a little bit and then they're coming on Sunday. Our family friend Harriet is coming up this weekend, so she'll be with us. You guys will see her in the vlog. And I have lots of friends from Toronto who are going to their cottages up near my house, so we're gonna see some of the Toronto girlies up in Muskoka. My friend's fiance is having his bachelor golf weekend, so Lachlan's golfing with them. There's so much fun stuff happening this weekend. I literally can't wait. It's supposed to be a little cloudy / rainy, which I'm not excited about because it's been so hot here in the city this past week. If you guys are in Ontario, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. It was like a massive heat wave. It was like 33 degrees and so humid every day this week. So all I've been looking forward to is like jumping in the lake and swimming. So I'm actually gonna be like really mad if it's raining all weekend. Not that that'll stop me from swimming, but you know what I mean. I just want like a really good lake day. But I'll show you guys what we have packed and then I'm gonna be heading out to baseball very soon. Also, when you see how much stuff we have packed, you're gonna be like, you guys are insane, you're going for 5 days. But we have, Lachlan's bringing a full suitcase because he also has a bunch of golf stuff and like other things in there. This is our baseball bag, and we also brought, I think we brought our pickleball stuff, yeah, because we're like, that'd be a fun activity, so we have pickleball stuff. Then this is my bag. This is my work bag because I need to bring my laptop and stuff. We're gonna work from home tomorrow. Then this bag has like my purses in it and like sunscreen, and then it also has activities. Like we wanted to bring some board games. Lachlan wanted his Theragun. So this just kind of is like a mishmash of stuff. And then Lox has his golf bag in the car and he's at the office right now and is meeting us at baseball, so he'll have his work bag. So it's kind of insane. I'm gonna do a trip down to the car now just to do this because I won't be able to do it all in one trip, and then when Harriet gets here we'll leave for baseball and we'll get on the road. I'm so excited for the weekend and I'm excited to bring you guys to baseball because you haven't seen yet. Let's kick this weekend off. Looky who made it to baseball.
Oh my god. Okay. This guy lost his trolley.
You can pop into Casa more.
I'm on the internet, so I've seen it all. Oh, dude, I've watched the whole thing. It's really good. I'm telling Declan, you need to watch it.
I've not watched the second of it intentionally, but Jasmine just has it on.
Brooke, you gotta watch it, man. Love Island. Little nudge here, LD. Oh, little nudge. Nice. Good.
Nice look! Oh my god, go back! Good job! Woo!
Just a little nice.
What does that mean? Just a single?
He just calls a hit a nudge.
Yeah,
oh.
You hit it a bomb and you'd be like,
yeah,
nice nudge. Nudge.
That was fun. It was fun. Thanks.
That was awesome. You caught them both clean.
Say it again. I'm kidding. I got it.
You did. You crushed it. That was amazing. You're so good at it.
Thank you. All right, Max is up to bat.
So on the ground, you're running in the air hole.
Last time at bat, Max got a triple. Let's see what he's gonna do this time.
It wasn't on video, it didn't happen.
I know, I didn't get it on the video. It's the vlog. Say hey. Nice, Max!
Yeah, Liz, come!
Nice! Go, let's go!
You're in, standing up. Good play, stay.
Nice! Good hit, Max! And Kyle got a home run last time. Our team is doing pretty well today. I should knock on wood. There's no wood to knock on. I'll knock on a leaf.
Go, 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 go.
Go, let's go!
Yeah.
Good morning from Lake Wasiosa. It's unfortunately cold and rainy today. It's very windy outside too, so today won't be the swimming day that I was hoping for, but hopefully I think it's supposed to get a bit nicer as the weekend goes on. But I'm wearing cozies, stripy pants. This sweater my girlfriends got me for my birthday from Abercrombie, and I love it. My mom and I are gonna go into town and run some errands, see some friends, so get after the day anyways. I'm in my dad's truck right now. We just dropped my dad off at the gym, and my mom and I just went to the LCBO. Actually, I'll show you. We just got so much stuff. I'll do a haul when I get home because we got so many like fun random drinks to try. I just am such a sucker for all the summer flavors. My mom just went to return the cart, but I don't know where she went to. It was literally pouring rain on the way here, like the type of rain where it's almost dangerous to be driving because it's coming down so hard on the dashboard that you can't even see. But we made it and now it stopped. I'm hoping that the rain all gets out today, and I think it's supposed to storm overnight tonight, and then hopefully for the rest of the weekend it'll be good. We're gonna go to the grocery store and then stop at our friend Anne's house to say hi. And we'll pick my dad up, head back home. I think I said yesterday in the vlog that my parents weren't gonna be here. I thought they were leaving last night. They're leaving tonight, so they're around for today and then they're leaving this afternoon. There's Martha. Hey girl. Hey girl.
What's that?
This.
Pink like your shirt and your shorts. Okay, pick another color. Oh, you got pink already, perfect.
So I
Cheers.
sent, cheers. I sent in the card, I sent to Jordan, like, share with your friends.
Okay, long is really, we're going for our first swim of the summer. Yeah, wait, it was sunnier before. We have barbecue going. I left my camera at Anne's house earlier, so I have to go back and get it tomorrow. So right now you're on the phone. Wait, it's definitely not nice out, but whatever.
You gotta go in. I know.
Yeah, that's so true.
When it was like pouring rain, I was like, oh, I'm gonna
I also can't dive.
That's what I mean. When I was like, I can go again.
I'm more like on the yellow lemonade version of the lemonade.
Well, she would have said lemonade if it was yellow.
No, I know, but it's like greenish yellow.
Hi guys, I got the camera back. It's the next day. Just went and picked up my bag that I forgot. Lachlan is golfing on his little bachelor boys night for Jordan. I'm just kind of killing time. I just ran a couple errands. I think I'm gonna go out to my friend Owen's cottage. Tess and some of their other friends are out there. It's about like 45 minutes from my place, so a little bit of a hike to be out there, but I literally have nothing else to do and it's kind of a shitty day, and I'd rather like hang with friends and play games and stuff and then come back, and then I'm gonna be back in town to DD Lachlan tonight because I told him like I would drive him since they're gonna be drinking and stuff. So that's the plan right now. So let's go to Tess's cottage. I keep saying Tess's cottage, but it's actually Owen's. The boys are golfing at Owen's too, so I don't know who's all really there, but Tess was like, come and hang out, so. That is the good thing about being in Huntsville, is like everybody's cottage is probably half an hour, 45 minutes away. So if people are at their cottages, I'm like, oh perfect, I'll just drop by. It's kind of shitty out again, but I did bring my bathing suit because
You call the number.
I've been holding my number. I keep putting it in there.
okay, look, surprise guest here. Oh wait, where should I put this? Maybe like this.
Put your lizard. Put Superman in it.
Okay, we just got blizzards. Well, you gotta tell them what you got.
Oh, I got a small sundae with hot fudge and peanut butter.
That was good. Yum. I got the Superman. It literally has Superman on it. And this is small. This is pretty big.
Yeah. Well, they have a mini.
Oh, maybe that's what I should.
I thought you were going for it. I was happy.
Cake batter cookie dough. Cheers. Oh my god, Christy, show
First
your
thoughts?
ring to the vlog. The vlog doesn't know. Woo! Oh my god.
Finally.
She's gorgeous.
Oh, there.
Oh yeah. Love it.
Shout
We
out
got
to
it.
Keith.
Shout out Keith, yeah. The sun is finally out, you guys. Thank God. Good morning. Happy Sunday. And the best part about this Sunday is that I still have another 2 days here. Oh, amazing. And it's going to be hot and sunny today. Thank God. I think I'm going to go on a boat. On my friend Ethan's boat, and then go out to my friend Jesse's cottage later today. So I'm so excited. I'm heading into town. I'm gonna go on my friend Ethan and Izzy's boat and like swim and hang off the boat for a bit. Lachlan's golfing again. We are just gonna have ourselves a dock day. I'm wearing this cute bikini from Dippin' Daisies and just these like white linen pants. I've got my cowboy hat. I saw this cool 13-year-old in town that had beads in her hair, so I put beads in my hair and I'm gonna bring them for the other girlies. I got my cowboy hat, like my jean shirt cover up, so let's rock. And then yeah, here's my my beads. I made bracelets yesterday with the kiddos next door, so I've got. So. Let's see, Ethan. Milk Mom! Yeah, she looks like Switzerland or something.
I can't believe I just ripped my shorts. Ah!
Not the Milk Mom shorts. This is the culprit. Well, we brought it. We all sat in the car.
Did you guys have this? We had driver's tractor to school day.
Stop!
Yeah.
What?
No.
Yes, you do, 'cause I want one.
I want one too.
And Ellie wants one.
Please. Okay, this is Owen's cottage. We were here yesterday, but I didn't really vlog yesterday. Wait, we hear you're a chef, like an actual one. I didn't come down to the water yesterday when I was here because it was so cold and like windy. But I didn't come, I literally just came to hang for the afternoon like yesterday too. Woo!
A little bit.
No. No.
And then you have just a dash.
Just one shot of vodka.
I got hospitality. So out of high school.
Okay, it's chilly.
dash.
I was gonna say.
I love cooking and stuff, but I was like, I don't know if I'm doing it forever.
Stunning. Stunning.
Okay, Lauren, I'm sorry, but I think I want to do this one. That would like match with your lip. And maybe like a blue.
Yep. Yeah. And that's it.
Maybe there was a bit harder to like do it through the easier in the bottom. Oh, that's so good.
Oh my god, it looks so cute. I'm just taking a video right now, but I'll take a picture. Hi friends. This has been the best dock afternoon of all time. Maddie's here. I'm putting this in the vlog. Jack, tell us what you built. Does it have a name? Does this art piece have a name? Oh my god, that's cute! Wait, your fingers, you guys. Brody! You really ate with it. Amazing. Beautiful. We're making cinnamon bun pancakes. Oh, the bubbles are starting to pop there. That's good.
This one I did too early though.
Okay, let's try it. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. A couple days ago. I think it's a... Whoa, that one got a big chunk.
Yeah, I think this is good.
Start the car,
Yummy.
meet you out there. We're coming home. The wind in our hair. On the road, my soul companion. We're coming home. Sweet as sugar.
This is Ellie.
Stay forever.
What are you gonna do for us today?
I'm gonna dash it.
We can find our way together. There ain't nothing better than to build the life we wanted from love.
Oh my god, it feels so
Where we lay our
good. Oh, it
head
feels
is
really good on my
home.
sunburn.
The road is ours, the best is yet to. Little flowers sing a song for hours while the busy bees are working to help build the world around you. Let's get ready, take it slow and steady. We got everything ahead of us. We won't sleep until we're
What do you think of the seeds, Tim?
Lemon. It looks beautiful.
best is yet to. Start the car. I'll meet you out there. We're coming home. The wind
Gorgeous.
in our hair. On the road. My soul companion.
Yeah, ours are done.
We're coming home.
Looks good.
We're coming home.
What'd you write, Dad?
I'm gonna write.
Oh, I said my mom wrote it.
I wrote that.
Nice, nice, that's good. Here, it's spelled right now. Pretend you didn't see anything. Okay, here, you can look now.
The road is ours.
So she has to guess what the word is.
I got this feeling, yeah, it's stirring in my bones. It's got me dreaming of chasing that golden coast. We just gotta live in the moment, blow your Monday, let's just go. Pack your bags and I'll grab the door. We'll head straight for the sun. I've been thinking we should get away, leave our troubles for another day. Gonna take you to a sun.
It is 4:30 on Tuesday, Canada Day, and I just went for one last dip, and we're all packed up to go back to the city now, though. But it's such a nice day here. It's literally like a perfect summer day, so I don't really want to leave, but I'm actually coming back just next weekend. So I'll come and be the Thursday night or Friday, and since it's already Tuesday, it's literally in like 2 days, so I'm not feeling too emo about leaving like I normally do. But it's been such a good weekend. Going to Owen's Cottage, seeing the girls, lake time here, yummy food. Oh, look at this little jet ski boat. That's kind of sick. I've never seen anything like that. My book is so good. Anyways, this has just been such a good weekend, and thank you guys for watching this Canada Day weekend vlog. I will see you in the next one, and happy summer, y'all.